Hello and welcome to the final project that I created for CS50's Python course by Harvard. Now this program I call Quick Maths. Now what this program is supposed to do is basically supposed to find the area, find the volume, supposed to expand, supposed to factor, find the limit, derivative, and the antiderivative. Now to make it easier to understand, here let's pull this up and run this program python project.py. Alright, let's see what it does. Okay, to quit the program, type exit. Okay, exit. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, so we have a list of things here in methods: shape, area, volume, expand, factor, limit, derivative, antiderivative, or integrate. Okay, so let's find the volume of a shape. Only 3D shapes? Oh, okay. Well, let's do a sphere, shall we? Enter the radius, okay, 6.87. Okay, the volume of the sphere is approximately this much. Alright, and then it reruns to ask us again if we want to enter something else to find something else. So let's find the area of a sphere as well. Okay, and put in, well, the radius was 6.87, right? 6.87. Right. Oh, there you go. Area of the sphere is approximately this much, and the volume is that much. So just by the radius, you got these two values. Now, what if you put in a shape and the program said invalid shape or something? Then you could type shapes over here, and it gives you a whole list of 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So for volume, it's at 3D shapes only, so obviously only these. And then for area, you can do all of these 2Ds and 3Ds, all inclusive. Now, to understand the antiderivative, the derivative, and the limit, you would need at least college level math education to understand these, and to understand factor, expand, getting the area and volume of shapes, you would need at least basic level math to understand those. Now, let's see how to actually implement the equations into code. So let's first actually run limit, and let's see what it gives us. Okay, limit is 1. All right, let's see why it's 1. So here's the function for limit. So right underneath it, limit, and then right here is the whole equation as x approaches pi. And then when we run this, we get 1.